Have you been experiencing a rough idle? How about a warning light on your dash? Poor acceleration? Or even a check engine light? Do you have any guesses on what this might be? Here it is. This is the throttle body. We have a couple ways we can address this. We're either going to clean our throttle body or we're going to replace it. If we have a rough running idle, poor acceleration, or a hesitation on acceleration, we're going to try and clean our throttle body first. Carbon buildup is our biggest issue in throttle bodies. All this valve does is allow air into the motor. When the flap opens, more air goes in. More air, more power. Less air, less power. When the carbon builds up, it restricts the airflow. If you have any of these symptoms showing up, don't wait to fix it. You can end up in limp mode. Limp mode is a safety feature that's programmed in by the car manufacturer to protect the powertrain when it's missing crucial values. For example, our accelerator pedal position sensor. This is the sensor. When we push the gas pedal, it tells the throttle body how far to open. While limp mode is safe for the car, it may not be so safe for you. While in limp mode, you are going to experience reduced power and reduced speed. So now quickly imagine you're on the freeway and all of a sudden you enter limp mode, and now we're doing 20? So now on the other side of things, if we're showing symptoms like a check engine light, a stalling motor, or we have entered limp mode, this is going to most likely be a full part replacement. So the symptoms our car has are a check engine light and limp mode. The code we pulled from it is going to be a P0122, and this is going to be a low voltage code. When you get this code, you're going to want to look at your wiring. And if it's not in the wiring, it's most likely going to be an internal fault on the component. So we went ahead and got ourselves a throttle body from 1A Auto. Now let's get it installed. Throttle bodies are attached to the intake manifold, typically by 4 bolts. It's important to always replace your gasket so you don't have a vacuum leak. Tighten the bolts down in a cross pattern to make sure that your gasket seats evenly. And then make sure you torque your bolts to manufacturer specification. The last piece of our puzzle here is going to be reprogramming our throttle body. When we calibrate a new throttle body, all we're doing is telling it where full open and full close is. If the vehicle doesn't know which 2 points these are, it's not going to know how to operate. Some throttle bodies are going to require you to use a scan tool to calibrate them, and then others are just going to be an install, and then they'll relearn on their own when the car does its first start. Once your relearn's done, verify the repair, hop in your car, give it a start, and you're good to go.